Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adina Alexis and you're watching In the Kitchen with Adina Alexis. Bonjour, bienvenue sur ma chaîne, je m'appelle Adina Alexis. And today, we're not in the kitchen. Today we are going to be talking about this monster of a hair on my head. For one, oh my gosh, y'all, it is so bad. Today we're going to be talking about my natural hair journey slash wash and go slash sleep ponytail, maybe. Who knows what we do. Yeah, this is crazy. I haven't washed my hair in like a week or two. And this is also a get ready with me. I'm sorry. Yeah. Slash get ready with me. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm finna go wash my hair. I'll be right back. Alright, so guys, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, shampooed and conditioned. Right now I'm just sectioning it off, and I am going to go in with my Demon brush and detangle it, and go in with some leave-in conditioner and some cream and the Xtreme Wetline Gel, and continue this process of my wash and go. This video was originally supposed to be a talk through, but when I was editing, I saw that there was a loud noise that I didn't like, so I was like, let me do a voiceover. Anyways, so yeah, basically I was just talking about my natural hair journey and why and how long I've been natural. I've been natural, this past January will be 7 years that I've been natural. Originally, I didn't know what natural was. 7 years ago, I didn't know that was a thing. I mean, I knew people that didn't get perms, and that's it. I didn't know that was called being natural, anything like that. Because I've been permed and relaxed my entire life, and my family has too. So all I knew was perms. So yeah. So yeah, the reason why I went natural is because a bad dyeing experiment gone wrong. I for some reason in 2012, 2013, I was fascinated with dyeing my hair. I dyed my hair brown, and I loved it. So I was like, oh, let me keep on dyeing my hair. So one day I was like, oh, I want purple, light purple actually, like a violet, somewhere in like that. Purple. And I was like, let's bleach it and dye it. And I ain't know nothing about those, so I thought I could bleach my hair and dye it purple and that would be it. No, well, that was not the case. So I remember going from brown to bleach hair, and I was still permed at the time. Going from brown to bleach hair, and then dyeing it purple, and then dyeing it back black the same day because it just wasn't working out. Right here, guys, I didn't want to show y'all the process of the back, so I skipped that, and I just went on to the front, and I'm just continuing on the wash and go with the leave-in and the cream and the Xtreme Wetline. But yeah, the process was, I don't know, it just turned out really bad. So, and literally, like, when I tell y'all, I always had long hair, even when permed, and I guess long hair just runs in my family. But after I bleached my hair, dyed it, and I guess my hair was probably shoulder length when I did all that. By the time I got bleaching and dyeing my hair and turning it back black, my hair was like near my ear. If you can see right now, like, you see how short that is? Like, it was crazy. And so I was like, after that, I'm not doing nothing else to my head. So I became natural, and I've been natural ever since. When I first went natural, I literally did everything. Ooh, look at those. Yep. for one, I know how to take care of my hair, but for some reason I cannot, like, iffy on what my hair type is. I think I know what it is, but then, like, when I look at charts, I don't really know, because other people's hair and stuff, it's not my hair. So if some expert or guru want to tell me what my hair type is, let me know, because I think I'm 4A, 4C, one of those, 4B, I don't know. But if anybody want to tell me, let me know. I'll consider your opinion. Anyways, but yeah, like I said, I've always had long hair. I'll post some pictures. I think I got a picture of after I bleached and dyed my hair. After that experiment, I think I got a picture. I'll post it. Um, like I said, I always had long hair. It runs in my family, so length ain't never been an issue with my hair. And thickness either. But it was just I don't know. I always felt like perms never did anything good, like, for my hair. And I think my hair always been thick, crazy. I don't know, but yeah. But right here, I was I wanted to do something small, a little wash and go. This was a get ready with me video to go to my best friend's baby shower, and wash and goes are hit or miss. Either you hit it real good or you miss it all. Like, so that's why I mean, if this wouldn't work out that day, I was going to do a sleep ponytail. That's why I said that in the beginning, because I don't know, I have my opinions about wash and goes. My hair just acts up sometimes and just don't want to mind. But yeah, but it actually turned really good, so I'm grateful for that. Um, but yeah, I'll post some pictures of how long my hair is now. I'm actually in the process of converting all my products from natural porosity to low porosity, because I recently, like, became protein sensitive with my hair, so I'm trying to get all the protein out of my products and change everything. So that's why I didn't go into depth of what I use, but I'll show what I use too. Um, but yeah, and for some reason I never take pictures of my hair, like my journey. Like, the 7 years, I probably got a good of probably 7 photos in 7 years of my hair, because I'm always wearing sew-ins. And being in culinary school and going to school and culinary school, I never get a chance to do my real hair. And being in the kitchen classes 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, it just neglects my hair. But I find out that keeping sew-ins in my hair does wonders for it, like the protective styles. When I first went natural, I did everything possible, like from masks, taking biotin, protein treatments, everything. But now I really don't do much like I probably should, because like I said, I always keep a sew-in in or something. But for some reason, I do not like the crown top of my head. If y'all see that, that's just weird. I don't know. Nobody ever say that. Like, when we do like hairstyles like this, it just looks weird to me. It looked like a donut, like that little middle part hole. Like, I don't know. It just looks crazy. But yeah, I'm just drying my hair. Yeah, look at that. This camera does not give me no definition on how my hair was for real. But yeah. I still do take biotin, but I can never finish a whole bottle of biotin. For one, because I'm not really a big pill person, and waking up every day and taking pills is just not my thing. So I'll take like half of the bottle and then I'll stop. I know that's inconsistent, but hey, Nobody's judging me. Right now I'm just stretching my hair. Who don't love a good stretch? Sometimes I'll leave it this like it is, but then sometimes I just love a stretch. And I was running late, so I was like, I'm trying to get it dry. And my hair takes like 30 minutes to dry, 45 minutes. It don't take too long. I don't know. I lied. It probably takes like an hour or 30 minutes to dry. But yeah. For one, I just want to say excuse me for these faces. I don't know who the heck like I am right now. These faces are crazy. But yeah, I'm just continuing to stretch out my hair, and like I said, I wanted to get it dry as possible before I went outside because I do have a little cold. And I was running late. So, and my ride was outside, and because your girl always running late for no reason. But yeah, this is half of the finished product. If I'm going to post pictures and put them on here. If you want more hair videos from me, let me know. Yeah. Do I consider myself a professional at natural hair? I don't know yet. I feel like I know a lot, but not much. If somebody asks me a question like it's not a normal, regular question, I probably couldn't answer it. But I know how to take care of my head. That's what I'm saying. I know how to take care of my hair. I can give you tips on how I grew my hair and what helped me, but everybody is different. I mean, you just got to find what works for you. But yeah, if you want more videos, let me know. Yeah. And I'm just stretching my hair. I'm running late. Very late, like always. Because I run late anyways. And I did my makeup off camera. I ain't got much on though. But I did my makeup off camera. And yeah. If I get some, it's not fully dry and I still got a little product in it right here. But if I get some pictures, I'll post them up here. But this is basically it. Let me do a little turn around for y'all. And it is. Whoop, that is. Alright. Let's look my countryside. Yep. There we go. Alright. Got to go. I'm running late. This light got me looking white. Toodaloo. Hey you, yeah you can't see me, but I can see you. Like, comment, and subscribe right now.